Hello, my name's Mike. I'm the owner of BestRugPrices.com, and today I'm doing a quick video to help promote our website and talk a little bit about our floor and decor blog. So the topic today is about SmartStrand Carpet and whether or not it's good for your home. People sometimes want to know, is it non-toxic? Just kind of, what is SmartStrand Carpet, and is it a good product or not? So before I kind of dive into that subject, I do want to throw in a plug for our company, BestRugPrices.com, and tell you just real quickly, what we're about. Our site, uh, what you're looking at, I should say, is the front page of our floor and decor blog. And as you can probably guess by the name of our blog, we write about floor covering. We have articles, we do product reviews, we have articles about cleaning and maintenance tips. We have articles that talk about specific strategies that we share that will help you get the best pricing from your local store on your floor covering materials and projects. We even do budgeting articles. So if you have a room in your house that you want to get new flooring in, but you have no idea how much it's going to cost, we can help you put some numbers together with information that we share on our blog. So we'd love for you to come visit us. I'm going to put the link to our blog in the description box below, but our site is completely free. There's no membership fee. We don't ask you to purchase anything. It's just we are a blog that you can use as a resource for any of your floor covering projects that you have coming up. Real quickly, the other part of our site that we have is we have a page dedicated to area rugs. We have videos on different types of rugs, and then we kind of break out our rugs in easy to follow categories. We have kids rugs, and then we break them out into sizes 8x10 and 6x9. As I scroll down, so on and on, 5x8, 4x6, and so on. We have a kind of a deal of the week that we put up, and then we talk about area rug pad. And if you've ever been shopping locally for just kind of an everyday area rug for your home, you might have found the process kind of frustrating because I'm sure you've discovered that most of the box stores and floor covering stores in your town have gotten out of the area rug business. You might have a couple stores that have a small selection of rugs, and they're usually way overpriced. And so typically, most of the time, most people buy their area rugs online, and that can be kind of a scary process because you may not have very good pictures. You don't know the company you're buying from, and so on. So what we do on our site is we try to help speed up the buying process for our viewers. And we just make we visit a lot of these sites, and we make recommendations to our viewers on where we think the best places are to get the best deal on your area rug. So we make those suggestions not only on price, but speed of delivery, on the number and of product reviews, what materials the rugs are made out of. And so we just have a page dedicated to area rugs. Again, there's no membership fee or anything like that. It's completely free, and we'll be putting the link in the description box below. Okay, so one of our recent blog articles is called SmartStrand Carpet Cleaning Guide. And while we call it a cleaning guide in the headline, it's more of a resource guide for SmartStrand Carpet. So if you've been shopping for carpet and you're looking around trying to figure out what direction to go, more than likely you've probably looked at some SmartStrand Carpet in your local store. And this article is all about SmartStrand. It not only talks about the cleaning information, but it talks about warranty. What SmartStrand's made of, where it came from. Is it environmentally safe for you to put in your home? There's just all kind of useful information in this article that I think is going to help you make a buying decision. And a lot of the information that we have in there is information that a lot of stores, won't mention to you. For example, in the SmartStrand warranty program, in order to keep your warranty with SmartStrand Carpet active, you have to use an approved vacuum cleaner from Mohawk. And a lot of people don't know that, and they're not told that when they purchase this carpet. So, you buy your carpet, you get it installed, and everybody's happy. And then all of a sudden, you find out later that you got to go to the store and buy a $200, $300, $400 vacuum cleaner that nobody told you about. So, in this article, we dive into that subject. We list all 30 or 40 vacuum cleaners that Mohawk approves, and then we also put links in the article about where you can go to buy those vacuum cleaners if you need to. But that's the type of information we have in this article right here, and strongly encourage you to check it out. It's completely free. It's just information that we want to share. So okay, so I'm going to switch screens here, and so like I said, the topic here is SmartStrand Carpet non-toxic? So I kind of want to just show you briefly how to figure that out, and the information that's available to you on the internet. So I'm on the Mohawk website. Mohawk is one of the leading manufacturers of flooring in the country, and they're the ones that make SmartStrand Carpet. So let's see if we can find some information. I'm just going to go to learn about, and let's pick carpet and see where we go here. And I believe we'll get to some information on their warranty and cleaning and so forth if it actually loads for me here. Okay, about carpet. Let's see what we got here. So we got information on stain and wear and so forth, and different styles they have. Let's see if here's some information on installation, care, and maintenance. I'll just keep scrolling down here. Okay, here we go. Carpet and health. I'm going to click that, and it's going to take us to their page about whether it's safe or not and what are the claims they're making. So it talks about asthma and allergies and properly cleaning allergens and so forth, and know the facts. And here's some links they put in here. And what I want to get to is down here in this last paragraph. So it talks about the Carpet and Rug Institute, and the Carpet and Rug Institute is kind of the one of the governing bodies, for lack of better terms, in the flooring world. And they have a program called the CRI Green Label Plus label, and it's their kind of low VOC emitting products programs. And as you can see here, all Mohawk carpets are CRI Green Label Plus certified. So I've kind of loaded this page on the internet that I'll go to. So if you just do internet search for the Carpet and Rug Institute Green Label Plus program, you'll come up to this page here. And I'm not going to go through and read every sentence here, but this basically gives you the information on what the Carpet and Rug Institute says says their program is about, and it talks about how carpets get certified for this program. And you can go to this site and read it yourself. But from the aspect of the flooring world, to answer the earlier question, SmartStrand Carpet is definitely a low emission carpet. So as far as the Carpet and Rug Institute goes, it is a qualifying product for their Green Label Plus program for indoor air quality. So again, I'm going to go back to our blog, the Floor and Decor blog, and in this article here, and I'll put the link again in the description box below. But we talk about all this in the article, and we go into great depth, and we even put the links in the article where you can go to get more information. And so we'd certainly recommend that if you have any questions about SmartStrand Carpet, that you look at this article and check it out. Thank you very much.